just hats off to this whole Mac Tools team. You know, it was a good solid run for us, and you know, I was a little nervous I didn't see the win light. I was hoping to come around here and see you guys pointing towards you, man. So it's all good.
You're not the first one to miss that win light today.
So David Grubnick and Jay are tied. You're next to JR said, hey, I'm still the only guy with a win streak until somebody beats me, and David Grubnick hopes that's soon. JR hopes that's Pomona. John Stewart, Jim Walsh, the gang with the red, white, and blue for Lucas Oil for Forest and Charlotte. Well, some of the sportsman races are really tightening up on the Lucas Oil Trail